Welcome back. Now this is the Smart Concepts, and today I'll be showing you how to create amazing designs that will wow your audience. So I'm going to be combining a whole lot of apps to actually create the design. Okay, so but first and foremost, let me show you the design we are creating. We are going to be using Pixelab, we are going to be using Canva, and then we are going to be using a mockup site, DIY book cover mockup. So we are going to be using those three. Now this is the design that we are going to create. Okay, a complete digital bundle for creatives. So this is the design. Beautiful, right? Yeah, I know. So we are going to be creating this, and you'll be able to create it yourself as well. So now the first thing we want to do is to go and get this background. So we'll go to Canva. Canva has amazing resources that you can actually use for your design. So I will go and get this background from Canva. So I will head on to Canva. Now if you don't have the Canva app, you can actually just type canva.com. Once you type canva.com, then you can come here. Now you will discover that in that design we have a book mockup. Okay, so we are going to do that as well with the DIY. So let's get started. So the first thing we want to do is to get our background. So we will come here and just type book cover. Book cover. That's what I typed here. Then I have this, so I click on it. So once I click on it, I will now search for the template that I want. Okay, so there are amazing templates that you can use with Canva. You have amazing templates that you can use. This one, so I was able to search for one that actually interests me, and I use it for my project. So let me just go and get it because of time. So you just have to search out what you have there. Okay, so this is what I have. Okay, now this is what this is the template. So what I did was to just edit to suit my purpose. Now it came with these images, but what you have as text is not creative. It's not Creative's complete digital bundle. No, it was something else. So I just changed it. So what I did was to just click on it and then click on edit. Then you can type whatever you want there. Okay, so that's how to. So if for example, I can just clean it and then write whatever I want there. So that's how to change it. Okay, so that's how to change the text. So I was able to change all the text that way. So but I like the background color and the image there. Now so once I am done with that, what I did was to save it. So and to save it, you just click on this. Okay, so let me show you here. So we just click on save and then click on download. Okay, so now I will have to remove it from PDF standard because I don't want to use it for book cover now. I want to use it for my design. So I'll change it to JPG, and then I'll click on download. So it's going to download it. Okay, so once that is downloaded, then once it is downloaded, all I need to do was to go back. Okay, it's downloaded. So I don't want to download again. So now that it is downloaded, what I need to do is to now go back to my Google, and I'll go back to my Google. Okay, now when I get to my Google, all I need to do is to type this address, DIY, okay, book cover mockup, or DIYbookcovers.com/3D mockups. You can do that. So any of them, just click. Once you click on either this, then you click here, or you just type the web address, DIY. This is the web address here, DIYbookcovers.com/3D mockups. Okay, so DIYbookcovers.com/3D mockups. Now once you're done with that, it's going to bring you here. Okay, so here now What you now need to do is to upload that design that you have just created on Canva. So you upload it, but before then you pick which format you want. This is single format and this is composite format. So I think I prefer the composite format, so that was why I used that. So I'll pick the one that I like. Okay, so I'll just pick it. So I'll just click on it. So let's say this is it. Once you click on it, you go to next. Okay, you click next, then you come to browse. This is browse here. So you come to browse and you click on it, and then you pick that flyer, that book cover that you have just designed. So you just go there. Let me go to recent. Okay, recent. No, I don't want video, I want images. Okay, let me just check download. Okay, so where is it? So I'll just select. So once I select the book, then I can click upload. So it's going to upload it here, and then once it's done uploading, you can click next, and then you select the format you want. So I want JPG, or should I use, no, let me use PNG. PNG with PNG I can use it anywhere, for my book, for my print, anywhere I can use it. So it's downloading now. Okay, so let me check it. Okay, so this is it. Now it appears it has a background. Okay, let me see if I pick JPG. Let me see what it has. Okay, let's see this one too. Okay, so with this one now, what I need to do, I don't know why PNG is not removing the backgrounds. Let me try again. PNG. Let's see whether it's going to. It has to give us a transparent background that we can work with. All right. So, but if it does not give us, then that is when we need remove.bg. It doesn't look like it's giving us. So what do? We come to this place. So we go back to our Google, our Chrome browser, and then I will just type remove.bg. So okay, let me just create another new tab. I'll just type remove.bg/upload. Okay, remove.bg/upload. So once it's going to take me here. Okay, normally it's going to take you to this page like this. So then you click on upload, and then you select. Let me say, okay, this our guy here, the PNG guy, actually gave us the nice one without any background. So it's just that it didn't show when we were viewing it. So but either it gives you or not. If it gives you, you can use it like that. If it does not give you, then you come to remove.bg/upload, and then you select it, and then this one will help you remove it. So you can either use this or you use Photo Room for your background remover. Okay, and then you click on download. So this is downloaded already. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, so this is how this one also looks like, yet it has removed the background. So with that, now we can now go back to our Pixel Lab. Now this is the way I designed it here. So let me take a new page. Okay, so now one other thing that I forgot to tell you, let's go back. Once I have created my book cover from Canva, I will have to go back. Okay, go back before you do anything. Go back, since it is this template you want. So I will delete everything else inside there. But the first thing I want, okay, let me just delete everything. Okay, let me just show you how to delete. So then you will just see that I will have deleted everything. So I will delete. I will just click on the image and click on this. This is delete icon. So I will just click on it. So it's going to help. So let me quickly do that. Okay, now that I have deleted everything, so all I need to do is to download it. You know how we downloaded the other time. So just click on this and then click on download, and then you're good. So once you're done with this, we need to go back to our Pixel Lab to continue our work. Okay, now this is Pixel Lab. So what we just need to do here is, okay, let me go and import my template, the template background I want to use. This is that I have saved here. Now I will extend it like this. Okay, this is fine. Then the next thing I want to do is to type. So I'll come here and type. Okay, so I will type complete digital bundle. So complete, yeah. So this is it here. Then I can reduce it a little. Let me reduce it. No, that's too much. Say 35. 35. I think 35 is good. Now I'll go and give it Nexa font. Nexa. I think I'm beginning to fall in love with Nexa and Zabad these days. But if you don't have that, you can use your Montserrat. So you can use that. So this is this one here. Okay, the next thing I want to do is to type creatives. Okay, I have this one here. Now I'll bring a font. Now these are amazing fonts. If you don't have it, you can actually download them. I've taught you how to download, so you can look up for their name and then download. So I'm going to be using Gotham. But there's this particular Gotham I will be using. Gotham. Okay, this one. So let's see. Okay, this is it. This one here. This is creatives. So I can extend it very well. I want it to be very big. Okay. Okay, so I can center both of them. Center this and then also center this. Okay, now see what I want to do now. These creatives now I'm going to duplicate. I usually do this to make my text pop. So I'm going to give it a black color. Oh, okay. Let me cancel this one. It is this one I want to give black color. The one on top, I'll give it a black color. Then I will bring this one here. Okay, I did something like this. If that one is not giving you what you want, now take the black on top of the white and see. So let me bring one to the front. Oh, I think this is perfect. So the white one should come here, and then the black one should be on top. You see that? See that how it pops? It makes it pop when you do that. So that's a trick you have just learned from me. All right. Now, so let's check. Let's see whether the two of them are aligned. Now see another trick I'm going to show you. You know I have two creatives there, so I want to move them together and center them together. So I will tick on it, then come to this second icon, then click on this relative position, and then click on the center. Do you see? I've moved the two at the same time. Now let's do the same thing for this complete. So I'm going to copy, and then this one I'm going to turn it to black. Okay, turn this to black. The video is getting longer, so I'm going to now put it on it. It usually makes it to pop. Now you see that when I'm putting it on it, I am not putting it on it directly to blend, to align. No, I offset it a little, but that's the way you will see the shadow and to make it to look like as if it is floating. So that's it. Now that we have done this, so the next thing is to bring our mock-up book. So I'll go there, go and pick my mock-up book. Okay, so this is our mock-up book. So I'll just extend a little. Okay, now this is it. This is it. All right. So the next thing I want to do now is to type what I want there. So I will just type the text. Now let me show you how to bring the text, because I'll be typing outside the video. So you click on this A, and it's going to bring this pencil, which is edit. Then you erase it and put whatever you want to put there. So I said bundle includes, okay, so this is what I have here. I'll bring it here and then reduce it and apply color. So let's give it okay, 16 is good, and then apply color, like this color there. Okay, then let me give it Nexa. Now it's always good to repeat fonts. So Nexa, what do I have? I have Nexa there already. Okay, with that I can move it a little. Now always avoid the margin, so move it a little in. Then type all the bundles. So I'm going to do that outside the video. Okay, so I have it now. So I'm just going to reduce it and put it here. Now let me give it color. So I think I want to give it the same color as this one. Okay, then I want to reduce it a little. Okay, something like this. All right, so once I have that, then the next thing is to just put order now. So I'll just put order now, and oh, sorry about that, order now. So shape, reduce the shape a little. Okay, apply radius, maybe about 12. Then give it this purple color. Okay, now I have this. Okay, now what I need to do is to just put order now. So I'll just type order now and put it there. So and then I will reduce it, reduce, and then align it very well. Okay, let me just move it with this. Let's see. So you align it properly. Okay, this is done. Now with this now, all I need to do now, I will now have to bring in my price. So I will use this particular template, this one here. I will cut the yellow one out. Okay, and then I will use it. Let me just resize it. Okay, this is it. So I will now put the price there. So click on plus, edit, and then 1K. So I'll put that there, move it. Okay, move it here. Okay, like this, just center it well. 1K. Now let me see If I use Nexa, will it be fine? I think Nexa will be fine. It's okay, 1K. So let me see. Okay, so 1K is good like this. Now, you can see that I use Nexa almost throughout. So let me now type access fee. Type access fee, and that will be all. Access fee. Okay, I'll bring it here. Reduce it a little. Reduce it. Reduce it. Okay. Then use this to move it. And center it well. Let's see. Okay. So with this, you're good. See? It's so easy and so cool. So just follow the process and produce something like this for me. Let me see whether this is aligned very well. Okay, I've aligned it now. So this is it. So once you're done, all you need to do is to just come to this place. Now, save as project. It's always good to save it as project in case you will need something like this next time. So just click on it and put the name. Okay, so just click on this, then put the name you can remember. Creative bundle. Okay, so then you click OK. So that will save that. Then if you now want to use it for sharing, you can click save as image. So that one will take you to your gallery. So always leave it at ultra. So this is the best quality, ultra, then save to gallery. So with that, you are done with your design. I hope that is very, very clear. Okay, now let's go and check the design out. Let's go to our gallery and check the design out to see how it looks outside the design layout. So where's my gallery? Okay, I'll go to photo, my library. Okay, this is it. This is it here. You see that? So beautiful, isn't it? So that's how to make your stunning designs. I hope you have learned something. See you in the next video.